Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe there. Okay. And then what we have studied on last class? What we have studied on last class? Yes, we have studied about our body parts. Our body parts. And then children, take your textbook. Take your textbook. Take page number 112. Listen here. Take D1. Take D1. And then what we have studied on the chapter our body. What we have studied? What we have studied? Aini, stand up and say. What we have studied? The chapter our body. Yes, our body has many parts. Our body has many parts. And next, our hands help us to hold things, to write and work. Okay, our legs help us to stand, walk and run. Okay. And next, our eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue called sense organs are called sense organs. Okay. And take D work. And take D work. First of all, which part of your body to use to do these activities? Listen here. Choose words from the box. Fill in the blanks. We can see few words here. A few words here. Legs, hands, nose, eyes, mouth, ears. Then first one, reading. First picture, reading. Which part of our body help us to read? Help us to read. Which part of our body help us to read? Help us to read. Yes, eyes. Very good. Right. Eyes. Fill the word eyes. Fill the word eyes. Eyes help us to read. Eyes help us to read. And second one, what is this picture? Listen the music. Listen the music. Okay. Which part of our body help us to listen? Help us to listen. Which part of our body help us to listen? Help us to listen. Yes, yes, very good. Write the word ears. Write it? Write it? Okay. And next, kicking. Which part of our body help us to kick? Help us to kick. Very good. Legs. Write the word legs. Write it. The word legs. Okay. And next, which part of our body help us to smell? Which part of our body help us to smell? Very good. Nose. Write the word nose. Write it. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. And next, which part of our body help us to catch? Very good. Hand. Write it. The word hand. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. And next, which part of our body help us to eat? Yes, mouth. Very good. M-O-U-T-H. Write it. The word mouth. Do you complete it? Okay. Very well. And then children, we go to new chapter. Chapter's name, 5th chapter, chapter's name, The Food We Eat. Listen here. First of all, we can see a box here. There are 6 clouds in the box. There are how many clouds? Yes, 6 clouds in the box. And each clouds have names. First one, we should color the cloud. Which in cloud? We should color the cloud. Which in cloud? First one, bread. Second one, book. Third one, read. All of you read. Carrot. Very good. Carrot. Fourth one, pencil. Next, apple. Very good. Next, eraser. Very good. Eraser. Next, what is the name of the first cloud? Yes, bread. That we eat? Okay. First, the bread one is, do you eat? Yes. Bread. Yes. We eat bread. So, you should color the first cloud. Do you get me? Okay. And second one. What is the second cloud? What is the name of the second cloud? Yes, book. Second cloud is the name book. Book, do you eat? Yes, no, we don't eat. Book. So, don't color it. Do you get me? So, don't color it. The book, cloud. And third one, carrot. Do you eat carrot? Yes. We eat carrot. So, you should color the carrot. You should color the cloud. You should color the third cloud. Do you get me? Okay. And next one, pencil. Do you eat pencil? No. We don't eat pencil. So, don't color it. Okay. And next one. Next the color. What is the name? Apple. Very good. Apple. Apple. Do you eat it? Yes. We eat apple. We eat apple. So you should color the clouds. So you should color the clouds. And next, last cloud. Last cloud's name? Yes, eraser. Eraser. Do you eat eraser? Do you eat eraser? No. We don't eat eraser. We don't eat eraser. So don't color it. So don't color it. Okay, do you understand? Okay. And next, we eat food. We eat food when we eat food. When we eat food. When we eat food. When we eat food. Yes, we eat food when we feel hungry. We feel hungry. Okay. Okay. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. It gives us, food gives us energy to work and play. Food, all of you say, food gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. All of you say once more. Food gives us energy to work and play. Very good. Work and play. And the food we eat comes from plants and animals. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Plants and animals. From where we get food? From where we get food? Yes, plants and animals. Plants and animals. Plants and animals. The foods we eat. Plants, animals. Plants, animals. From where we get food? Where we get food? Yes, plants and animals. Plants and animals. And food from plants. Food from plants. We get vegetables from plants. Very good. We get vegetables from plants. And first of all, let us study about plants. Here we can see some vegetables. We can see some vegetables. What are they? What are they? Yes, these are onion, potato, brinjal, cabbage, carrot and cauliflower. Once more, onion, potato, brinjal, cabbage, carrot and cauliflower. Carrot and cauliflower. These are some vegetables. We get from vegetables from plants. Very good. From plants. Next page. Take next page. Here we can see some fruits. We can see some fruits. What are they? What are they? Yes, mango, bananas, papaya and grapes. Mango, bananas, papaya and grapes. Okay. These fruits we get from, yes, plants. We get from plants. Very good. And next, we get pulses and cereals from plants. We get pulses and cereals from plants. Different kinds of dal, kidney beans and grams are pulses. Different kinds of dal, kidney beans and grams are pulses. Wheat, rice and corn are some cereals. Wheat, rice and corn are some cereals. Wheat, rice and corn are some cereals. We also get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. We also get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. Okay, we also get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. We can see dal, rice, tea leaves, coffee beans. We can see a box here, dal, rice, tea leaves, coffee beans. Okay, do you get me? And next, now let us study food from animals. Now let us study food from animals. What are the foods that we get from animals? What are foods that we get from animals? Yes, we get milk, eggs, fish and meat from animals. We get milk, food from animals. Eggs, milk, fish, eggs, milk, fish and meat. M-E-A-T. Plants, vegetables, fruits. Vegetables, fruits from plants. Eggs, milk, fish and meat from animals. Vegetables and fruits from plants. Eggs, milk, fish and meat from animals. Do you understand? Next, cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. We make butter, cheese and curd and ice cream from milk. We make butter, cheese, curd and ice cream from milk. Animals such as hens and ducks give us eggs. Animals such as hens and ducks give us eggs. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Cows and buffaloes, goats give us milk. Give us milk. Cows give us milk. Cow give us milk. And next, which birds give us eggs? Which birds give us eggs? Which birds? Yes, hen and duck. Hen and duck. Very good. Hen and duck. Hen and duck. Which birds? Which birds? Which animals give us milk? Which animals give us milk? Yes, cow and goat and buffalo. Okay, and next page. Now we have studied about different kinds of food. Different kinds of food. Do you get me? Do you get me? Okay. We eat different kinds of foods. Food items such as milk, fish, eggs and pulses help us to grow. Pulses help us to grow. Pulses help us to grow. Pulses helps us to grow. G-R-O-W. Help us to grow. Pulses help us to grow. Pulses help us to grow. Food items such as rice, wheat, sugar and butter gives us energy. Gives us energy. Food items rice, wheat. Rice, wheat, energy. Energy. Rice, wheat, energy. Give us energy. Fruits. Now we have studied about different kinds of foods. Different kinds of food. Do you get me? Do you get me? We eat different kinds of foods. We eat different kinds of foods. Food items such as milk, fish, eggs and pulses help us to grow. Help us to grow. And next, food items such as rice, wheat, sugar and butter give us energy. Give us energy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Next, what is called meals? What is called meals? What is called meals? Yes, the food we eat at different times of the day is called a meal. Different times of the day is called meal. We eat 3 main meals in a day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. 3 main meals in a day. The foods we eat at the different times of the day is called a meal. A meal. The food we eat at different times of the day is called a meal. Is called a meal. What is called meals? The foods we eat at different times of the day is called a meal. We eat 3 main meals in a day. 3 main meals in a day. Do you get me? 3 main meals in a day. There we have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. 3 main meals. 1. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We have breakfast in the morning. Breakfast in the morning. Next, we have lunch in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner. We have dinner at night. We have dinner at night. Once more, what is called meals? What is called meals? What is called meals? Yes, the foods we eat at different times. At different times of the day is called a meal. Is called a meal. We eat 3 main meals in a day. 3 main meals in a day. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner. We have dinner at night. We have dinner at night. Do you get me? Okay. And take next page. We should have some good habits. Some good food habits. Good food habits. Okay. Follow good eating habits. Follow good eating habits. Wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands before and after eating. And second one, rinse your mouth after eating. Rinse your mouth after eating. Yes. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Yes. Do not eat food that is kept open. Do not eat food that is kept open. Eat your meals at the same time every day. Eat your meals at the same time every day. Yes. Do not talk while you eat. Do not talk while you eat. Next, drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. Next, do not waste food. Do not waste food. Take only as much as you can eat. Take only as much as you can eat. All of you should follow these habits for your better health. For your better health. All of you should follow these habits. Follow these habits for your better health. For your better health. Take what we have studied this chapter. What we have studied this chapter. Yes, food make us healthy and strong. Food make us healthy and strong. And next, we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. And next, some food items help us to grow, some give us. Help us to grow, some give us energy, and some food items keep us healthy. Some food items give us energy, some food items give us healthy. Okay. And next, we eat 3 main meals in a day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat 3 main meals in a day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Do you get me? And next, we should follow good eating habits. We should follow good eating habits. Okay. And next, Able. Who gives us these things? Write P for plants, A for animals. P for plants, A for animals. What is the first one? What is the first one? Who gives us potato? Who gives us potato? Who gives us potato? Who gives us Hamda Fatima? Yes, plants give us potato. Plants give us potato. Plants give us potato. Write the letter P. Write the letter P. Write the letter P. Next one. What is the second one? What is the second one? Who gives us eggs? Who gives us eggs? Animals give us eggs. Yes, sit down. Animals give us eggs. Write the word A. Write the word first letter of animals A. First letter of animals A. First letter of P. Plants P. And next, who gives us apple? Who gives us apple? Yes, plants give us apple. Plants gives us apple. Write the word P. First letter of plants. And next, who gives us milk? Who gives us milk? Yes, animals gives us milk. Write the word first letter of animals A. First letter of animals A. Do you complete it? Do you complete it? Okay, very well, children. And next page. Next page. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Name some vegetables that we eat. Name some vegetables that we eat. That we eat. Yes, brinjal, carrot, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Brinjal, carrot, cabbage. And second question, what do we get from animals? What do you get from animals? Yes, milk. Write it. Milk, egg, fish, and meat. And meat. And third one, name any two food items that gives us energy. That gives us energy. Yes, rice and wheat. Rice and, write it, rice and wheat. And fourth question. How many main meals do we eat in a day? How many main meals? Yes, 3. Write it, 3. And fifth one. What should we do before and after eating every meal? What should we do before and after eating every meal? Yes, wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after. Before and after. Before and after. Before and after. Meal. Before and after meal. Do you complete it? Do you complete it? Okay. And then children, C work and D work, you should do C, D as homework. Homework. C work and D work. Okay. Okay. Let me wind up today. See you again.